Hello guys, welcome back to our technology welfare. Let's see in this video tutorial how to enable quick ball in Redmi Pro or Redmi 6 Pro. Here for it guys, see your home button is not working in your Redmi Pro 6, then how you will enable a quick ball so that you can operate the whole device by using this way. So for it guys, firstly you will have to come in a setting options and you have to write QUICK plus BALL quick ball and you have to wait. Now see guys, here is the option given here, quick ball setting. So here what I will do guys, simply I will enable it. So how I will enable, see we have one option here to enable it here. So simply I will click here. Now it has been enabled. Now you have a here, see hide automatically. Second is a move aside when the full screen. So this one you have to enable it, and yes, stick to is after 3 seconds of inactivity. Of course here you have to, according to your own customization, if you would like to enable it, of course you can enable or you can disable it also guys here. So on locker screen, of course in this one also, if you would like to disable it, of course you can disable or you can enable. So see how it is now. See we have here, just I will click at the left right side areas. Now see here, now here just I will click here. Now once again, now see we have an option here to go in a menu to just here go in a split screen. Similarly if you would like to cut it from here by clicking, so without touching in a especially home button of this device, you can do all kind of the things and that you are doing with the help of this home button of this Redmi 6 Pro. So this is an easy way, and if you would like to disable it, similarly just what you have to do guys, you have to go in a once again in a setting options, and after coming in a setting options, simply you have to click on quick ball option and disable it. So now see guys, it has gone now. So this is the easy way. If your home button is not working, then of course you can enable it and disable according to your own customizations in your Redmi 6 Pro. So this is all about in this video tutorial guys. My motive guys, if your home button is not a functional in that situation, how you will approach to operate your Redmi Pro 6. So this is all about in this video tutorial. If this is informative and acknowledgeable, then please don't forget like and subscribe to my channel, so because this is a thing that will inspire me to make more and more video for accelerating the knowledge in IT sector field. And furthermore, if you have any inquiry, of course you can raise the query blindly below the comment box guys. I will reply as soon as possible according to your query and in course of time. So this is all about. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time.